All right, I want to show you how to graph the absolute value functions with Desmos, graphing calculator. So you'll have a little keyboard here. You'll click on the keyboard. It opens up this. And then the key we're going to use is this absolute value of A key is how we're going to write the absolute value function equation. So I'm going to say y equals, I'm going to click on that. I put in x, and that's it. And there's my parent function right there, y equals absolute value of x. Now I asked you to put in some other ones. So let me just show you. I'm going to go y equals absolute value. Click there. I'm going to say like x minus 4. And then I'm going to click out here and say maybe plus 3. Plus 3. And then I want you to notice what translations occurred to go from the parent function, the original one, green, with the origin here at 0, 0, to my new function after the translation here in purple, where my vertex is now at 4, 3. All right, so I gave you 3 to play with, but by all means, you can play with more. Just start entering a bunch in, doing different things, and noticing what happens to the function as you put those changes into the equation.